Do you want to know how you can log into your Proliant Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Proliant Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Proliant Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official site of Proliant Payroll. Click on Login, which you see on the top right hand side, and it will take you to this page where you can select on Employee. After click on Employee, this employee login portal will open up. What you need to do is write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go to the second box and write down your password. Then check your password once by clicking on this icon and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Proliant Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to click. And if you are new to Proliant and want to create an account, go ahead and click Create an Account. So guys, this is how you log into your Proliant Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.